balanced diet for fitness in 2021. The word balanced diet is synonymous to proper eating habits and physical health. That is why in this video, you will learn the best balanced diet fitness training in 2021. If you are new to this channel, you may consider subscribing to this channel, as this helps us to create more content and helps the YouTube algorithm to inform you when we post new content. With that being said, these are the facts you need to know. Making the commitment to exercise regularly is a terrific start to getting fit. However, without sound nutritional guidance, achieving your goals of fitness may be impossible to achieve in the long run. This is because whatever workout you engage in demands the right kind of fuel, and that fuel comes from the foods and beverages you consume. In a recent study of 90,000 people, researchers found out that approximately 57.9% of participants' daily calories came from heavily refined and processed foods. These are the so-called convenience foods that populate the shelves of the local supermarkets, such as canned soups, frozen foods, boxed side dishes, soda and snack foods, etc. Of the 90,000 participants, only 29.6% of the study ate what nutritionists call minimally processed foods, such as fruits from trees, vegetables pulled from the plant or ground, real meat, poultry, seafood, and eggs. If you are serious about your personal weight training and fitness, then you must get serious about your diet too. This is because your body is built from both the workouts you complete and the foods you eat. The foods you eat provide the macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and fats that give you the energy you need to sustain you through your workout and helps you to build stronger muscles. On the other hand, the vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber found within real wholesome foods nourish every cell in your body, providing the best fuel for your workouts. Think of your body like a car. By pouring only the highest quality fuel, that is food, into your body, you are building a body as beautiful as the slickiest sports car. Such kind of body can run faster and longer, lift heavier weights, and dominate the competition. Proper fitness nutrition begins with understanding what you need to eat, when to eat, and how to maintain your eating habits for the long haul. Check the description box below this video for our best recommended fitness and workout program. Proper fitness nutrition. Aside from injury, nothing derails a workout plan faster than poor dietary habits. So, if you are serious about becoming your strongest and fittest self, eating naturally dense foods is essential to your workout plan. Get the right nutrition guidance to ensure you provide your body with the clean energy you need to perform your best. Link in description box below. Nutrition advice and tips. 1. Keep a food diary that you track daily. A food diary can help you track not just what you eat, but also how much, when, and where you eat it. 2. Calculate calories. Most diet plans focus on how many calories to eat each day, such as 1,500 or 2,000 calories for moderately active people. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, pause this video now and subscribe by clicking the red button below this video. It helps us to continue creating more valuable videos for you. There are many free apps like MyFitnessPal and sites like calculator.net that calculate how many calories you should eat for your activity level, how much to eat to maintain weight, and how many to eat to lose weight. These free sites and apps provides a simple and quick way to track the calories in food you eat on the go. Weigh and measure your food. Measuring is a pain at first, but you will get used to it fast. Consider investing in a food scale, a small scale that measures ounces and grams of the food. It will also make you keenly aware of what foods fill you up and what foods just aren't worth the calories. Knowing this will help you make better dietary choices. 4. Eat the right food. What are the right food? Minimally processed foods are the best for sports and weightlifting nutrition. Your body needs lean protein such as turkey, non-fat Greek yogurt, fish, and egg whites to build muscles and stay full. Complex carbs such as green leaf vegetables gives you energy to burn, and fiber fills you up and keeps your digestive system and hormones in alignment. Fats should be healthy. Examples are monosaturated fats such as olive oil or from plant-based sources rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts, flax seeds, and similar oils, nuts, and seeds provide healthy fats. 5. Eat minimally processed foods. Don't eat the wrong food. Remember what 57.9% of what Americans eat. Those are the wrong foods. Avoid foods that come in boxes and bags. Processed foods usually contain tons of sugar, salt, and preservatives. 6. Limit alcohol drinking. Alcohol has a ton of calories. Alcohol isn't worth consuming for the serious athletes. It has more drawbacks than benefits. It's easy to add 400 or 500 calories to your daily total with booze, and even more if you like liquor combined with sugary mixes. Some nutritionists believe the calories consumed from alcohol are particularly bad for you because when the body receives alcohol, it burns alcohol for fuel first, then burns other fuel. Putting all the pieces together. Understanding what you need to eat, when, and how much to eat is a great start to reach your fitness goals. From there, a mix of a nutritional balanced diet with the right intake of protein, fats, and carbohydrates will help you reach the excellence in your fitness. However, whether you are new to fitness or experienced, getting a professional personal trainer is perhaps the best way to get into shape. Link in description box below. Till we see in the next video, like, comment and share this video.